The year 2023 has proven to be another turbulent one for the Eurasian region. The Ukrainian crisis remains intractable. The geopolitical game between Russia and the West is intensifying. The political and security landscape of the region is being restructured. Russian President Vladimir Putin said during his annual press conference that Russia is forced to take other measures, including military ones, as Ukraine does not wish to hold negotiations on its demilitarization. He further noted that when Russia realizes its target of this special military operation, the peace will come. According to Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky, no one knows when the Russia-Ukraine conflict will end. Speaking at his annual press conference, Zelensky said that Ukraine lacks of ammunition and the control of the air, and the decision to mobilize another 500,000 soldiers has not yet been made. He also said that joining parts of Ukraine into NATO is not an option. The current fatigue over the Ukrainian crisis will test endurance of all sides, but calls for a resumption of peace talks between Russia and Ukraine will intensify as the entire international community is hoping for a peaceful resolution to the Russian-Ukrainian conflict. It is worth noting that over the past year, the Russian economy has withstood the pressure from sanctions imposed by Western countries and has not collapsed, contrary to what the Western anticipated. According to forecasts, the Russian economy will grow by 3% in 2023. Looking ahead to 2024, we can assume that the Russian presidential election in March will attract increased attention, as Putin has already announced his participation.